What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to release a liftgate that's stuck on a 2010 Honda Fit. A lot of times these handles get rusted shut and you can't open them. So I'll show you how to do that. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm just going to take a pocket screwdriver or a straight blade screwdriver. Take this little access door off right there. So this bracket right here was in the stuck open position. So when you go to unlock this rear lift gate, the lock wasn't working. So there's a little lever right here. So I push this lever back. This little lever right here is the lock. See that little piece right there that goes down? You could actually do it with the key fob as well. Once that's in position right there, you take a larger screwdriver, release that, and open the liftgate.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.